think, what makes that the outside that is separate from in here? I wonder where we got the notion that our lives are separate from the mountains and the oceans, separate from the birds and the squirrels in the trees, separate from the rest of blessed reality. For I've been granted glimpses beyond the veils of illusion. I have seen that we are all part of a much greater flow. The rocks know and the trees know and the water knows. The hawks know and the bees know, and we used to know. Metakwe oya son, 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 metakwe oya son. I look into the darkness and I wonder if it feels animosity or if it seems the unity that in truth we all must be, simply free in harmony with all we see. Look into the sunlight and I wonder how it must feel to be so free, to know yourself inside of all infinity, just spinning free, to simply be in harmony with all we see. Metakwe oya son, metakwe oya son, metakwe oya son. Metakwe oya son, metakwe oya son, metakwe oya son. Our concept of our isolation stems from long-term degradation and stagnation of relations with creation and our own imagination. In truth, there is really no place or station, no boundaries, and certainly no political nation. These things are merely functions of our expectations. These things are merely functions of our expectations. These things are merely functions of our expectations. I said these things are merely functions of our expectations. You hear? These things are merely functions of our expectations. And it's time for us to join in this great celebration. It's time for us to join in this great celebration. Metakwe oya son, metakwe oya son, metakwe oya son. Metakwe oya son, metakwe oya son, metakwe oya son. Matakwe o sun, Matakwe o sun, Matakwe o sun, Matakwe o sun, Matakwe